really fast.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, hello everybody, my name is Don and today I was going to give a video on 3 phones you should never buy. I mean, this list can include things. Okay, come on then, so you can discuss, so you can write your list scripts then. Okay, this list, guys, can include features of annoying phones, or the way they look, or the way they probably have or by the way, probably having like the worst type of internet ever, probably. All right, this can include things kind of like that: worst internet, very not good quality, doing crazy things just to open up certain apps, and yeah, let's get started. At number 1 is the Blackberry phone. Okay, you'll do number 2, right? You can talk, right? And the Blackberry phone, guys, yeah, is a very, very annoying phone. It's not an Android phone. It's not an Apple phone. It's a Blackberry phone. It's a Windows phone. And now that phone, yeah, has pretty much the worst thing you could ever do. There is no home button with these 3 little square, triangle, circles. There's none of that. You have to find out a crazy way just to open up a different app. These phones were actually dead a very long time ago. And trust me, they're not the best phones ever, the Blackberry phones. I would rather buy an Apple instead of a Blackberry. You know what I mean? The Blackberries, yeah, they do look good. The quality looks good. Play Store looks much more different. It's black. Play Store is black.
Well, instead of that, it was releasing to ones with the camera releasing to like it would be much more better.
Well, yeah, I think you're right, Adi. That can be a thing you can actually do.
The Blackberry phone, will it look like Blackberries?
Adi, I think you're silly, Adi. I'm just kidding. Right. I'm thinking when you see white, you're thinking white. Okay, number 2. Here's number 2.
Number 2 is the Super Colossal phone. The Super Colossal, it's cool, but it's not good when you see it, because it's the start of it in home is all just black, and you can't see the apps and stuff like that.
I think. And by the way, guys, yeah, I think. You're thinking. And the apps, if you open up an app, you have to do some crazy things, such as you have to swipe your phone 3 times in a line like this, and a little bit like this. Trust me, guys. Buying this Super Colossal phone, yeah, it looks nice, but it's not the worst phone ever. It's if you know lots of skills, if you're really good, then this phone will be very easy for you.
Yeah, and also a big one is size of iPad.
And yeah, that reminds me of the other phone. And number 3 is the iPad phone. This phone is actually very big. It's called an iPhone 9. The reason why you should never buy this phone is that it keeps asking. Here are like triangular apps, circle apps. You can see on the picture right here. Because it keeps telling you to install apps every time you put your phone to sleep. I think. Open it again. It keeps telling you to install like some kind of antivirus apps or some kind of like help your phone app. You install them, then your phone starts glitching. Even at the start, it starts glitching. And there are some special apps that you have to install to remove those thingies.
It's also in every game it lags. Can I put in one game what never lags, but this thing it lags.
I think, cause this phone, yeah, like having like a thing like Blackberry phone. I promise you guys, don't buy a Blackberry phone. Just please don't buy a Blackberry phone.
Very bad.
It's annoying. My mum has one and I can't barely go to YouTube. I have to do some silly things such as swiping your fingers off and doing that and doing that and things.
Yeah. Well, it looks cool, does it?
Yeah, it looks epic. Like, for example, the color black looks cool at the start, doesn't it?
Yeah. In the games, you want to watch YouTube, but in the game, you can't go out.
I tried downloading some kind of software thingy, but it failed to install. So, guys, the Blackberry phones are really annoying. I promise you, don't buy the Blackberry phones. Also, just don't please buy the iPhone 9, the iPhone 9 thingy, because like, it looks cool, you know, you got new features, but the lag, the glitch. What was that? What was that phone? That super condition phone? What was that other phone you said on number 2? I think.
Super Colossal.
Oh yeah, that one there. The Super Colossal phone. It's pretty much the reason why I don't want you to buy, guys, I think, is that it has pretty much like the worst internet connection ever. Like, there is a card that you have that you could put into like on your phone. Of course, I had a phone when I was little. I had a phone, and yes, I tried filming in underwater, and yes, of course, my phone reacted to water. It wasn't waterproof. It couldn't work underwater, and yeah. But now I have a computer, a white one, which is better, and my brother has a DS.
Yeah, not good it is. But also Super Colossal. You would damage your eyes when you see that. It's so big. And then in the front, and if you watch for a short time, your eyes just start hurt.
Yeah, because the quality is kind of in such a way that the lighting is a bit too annoying, I think. Reason why, look at my computer, we're making this video. I think yeah, we made this video a little bit long. Why did you visualize? Was this because the light is a little bit low? It's calmed down, hasn't it?
Yeah, I thought it was
But guys, Blackberry phones, just please don't buy them. Maybe to save up your pocket money for something else. The Blackberry phones, they're annoying. They're not very good. Blackberry phones. Wait! Stop me. They're not best phones ever. They're not the best phones.
Don't buy Super Colossal because it was a fun time. When a short time, I start hurting.
And plus the Blackberry phones, guys. If you had a Blackberry phone like for many years, then you still know how to use it. Yes, then yeah, you can keep it. But just to say that it's very tricky to use the Blackberry phone.
Yeah, very tricky, but the Super Colossal is much more.
I would wish, yeah, the much more what?
Worse means when you like look at it, just for like 10 seconds, your eyes start hurting.
Should I tell you why it's only for 10 seconds? Because that's what also the game, the Super Colossal phone, yeah, wait. Is a phone. I think it's a phone, yeah, where you have to like. It's not really fun. I have to tap on these things. So I think just so you can install a new app called Play Store. Yep.
Yeah, but you need to actually go to the doctor.
No, that's why it's actually for like 10 seconds. The way you do it is for 9 seconds or 3, much quicker. After that, yeah, you can actually adjust your lightning, so you make it a little bit lower. But yeah, iPhone 9's glitch so like the worst glitches ever. Like, you know, the annoying things where it comes up whenever you smash your phone screen, yeah, and then there's like lines coming like red, green, yellow lines. Wait, yeah, exactly. Kind of like them. But this only works if you play. If your game crashes, it could actually crash your phone and you need to buy a new one. So iPhone 9, guys, yeah, are kind of like the newer phones, but there is a special stick to remove all and make them the best phones ever. But anyways, guys, we hopefully enjoyed this video. Please don't buy Blackberry phones. They're not the nicest ones ever.
Yeah.
I think. Wait, I think buy an iPhone 5. It's much nicer than a Blackberry phone, I think. And yeah.
So bye guys.